So I got my new Epson 8550 printer. I'm going to convert it to DTF.
First, we're going to go ahead and unbox this printer. Remove all the tape, get everything situated, you feel me?
So right now I'm just going to take off all this blue tape.
Step 3. Remove bottom rollers.
Make sure you guys have the right tool. I sort of didn't have the right tool on hand. Oh, you need a Phillips screwdriver.
There's going to be a lot of pulling and tugging when trying to get these bottom rollers out. Don't be scared to put a little elbow grease in there. It's got to come out.
Here we go. So got it out. This is the rollers that you guys want to get out.
Step 4. Replace regular ink to DTF ink.
So I'm just going to pour this Epson ink out so I can put my new ink in it.
I'm just throwing away all this regular ink, but if you guys have another Epson printer that you can actually use this ink for, feel free to keep it, but I don't.
Rinse bottles to make sure no remaining ink is left.
Here's the actual ink I'm going to be using. It's from American HTV.
Step 5. Fill printer with DTF ink. Step 6. Print image using CAD-Link Digital Factory 11.
There you have it. Started from the bottom. Now I'm going to put my DTF powder on it.
Step 7. Cover image with DTF powder. Step 8. Cure image by placing it under hovering heat press for 60 seconds. Step 8. Position DTF transfer on hoodie. Step 9. Heat press shirt with image. Step 10. Peel paper off image.
So there you have it. The
All done.
Step-by-step process on converting the Epson 8550 to a DTF printer. Hope this helps somebody. Please follow and like for more content. Let's break the cycle.